So vaccination is, of course, one of the very important tools that we use to manage the spread of FMD and also minimize, clinical signs, even in animals that have already been infected.
Ons het vandag 'n mobiele nekklamp oorhandig hier by Suikerbosrand Natuurreservaat waar ons die MEC gekry het, mevrou Ramagopa. Sy was teenwoordig gewees en Dr. Rabolao was ook hierso gewees.
We are doing our vaccination drive here. We've actually just vaccinated, I think, about 120 cattle today alone, and the vaccination drive continues.
Ons het 'n groot behoefte gesien dat in die landelike gebiede daar fasiliteite benodig word vir die veeartseny om back and closure te stop.
Using the mobile neck clamp will help us vaccinate more cattle at a time and also help us handle the cattle much more better.
It's really such a generous donation that has been made and really helpful for us in the province.
It's that time where we really need each other in the interest of protecting the jobs.
Dis 'n riem onder die hart om te sien dat landbouorganisasies soos SAI saam met die privaat maatskappye soos Ubaru hande kan vat en die MEC se hande sterker kan maak. Dis ook 'n bewys dat die staat en die privaat sektor saam kan werk om probleme op te los.
I hope it's not just limited to FMD. I hope going forward we'll be able to maintain some of these relationships. And I'm hopeful that, in the next few months, we will have a much better story to tell about the state of FMD in Gauteng.